How to get the face symmetry filter on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on your story at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on your story at the top left corner of your screen, here you'll find all the filters. Simply scroll all the filters to the left. At the last, click on Browse Effects. After you click on Browse Effects, in here, click on the magnifying glass-like option at the top left corner of your screen. Here you can search invert. Search invert and you will find invert filter. It's not available on my region. It may be available in your region. After you find invert, simply press on the filter to use it. After you're in the filter, you can simply click on the screen and as you can choose asymmetrical or symmetrical and take a picture or a video. This is how to get the face symmetry filter on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.